going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Crybaby Cell 17 by Craig Zen. This was a very special request by username Alex, so big shouts to you, family. I hope you watch this. If you're new here, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to uppercut you into a fishbowl. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song's in standard tuning. You're only using 3 different chords, and you're just going to repeat them throughout the entire song. First one's going to be in E minor. It's 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then you're going to go to this funky version of like an A. It's going to be 5, 7, 7, 0, 0, 0. And then this weird version of a C, it's going to be 8, 10, 10, 0, 0, 0. So once you have the chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. You're going to be going down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're switching on that up right there. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now that you got the strumming parts for the chords in the song, I will show you the little picking part that's in the intro. I will have a guitar tab for this in the description, so if you need it, jump in the description once you get done with the video, because it will be there for you. It's pretty simple. They're starting on that E minor, and I'm going to put my index finger on the 2nd fret on the A string and my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you're going E, A, D, A twice. So E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A. Then you're going 3rd fret, low E string, keep that ring finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, open for the D string, and you're doing the same thing one time, E, A, D, A. Then you're going to go index finger on the 2nd fret of the low E, middle finger 2nd fret A, open D again, and do E, A, D, A one time. So that's the first time. This thing goes 4 times. So that's the first time. Second time, you're just going to go index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and that's it, but you're picking everything else the same. E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A. Same way here, 3, 2, 0, E, A, D, A. Same here, 2, 2, 0, E, A, D, A. Back to 0, 2, 2, E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A. 3, 2, 0, E, A, D, A. E, A, D, A, back to 0, 2, 2, E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A, and then here you're going to go 3, 2, 2 for just E, A, D, A once, and you're going to stop. E, A, D, A. So I know that might be a little bit confusing. Like I said, I'll have the tab in the description if you need it. I'm going to play through it very slowly right now so you can see what it looks like. Here we go. So that is the entire thing one time through. Keep in mind it is palm muted. I'm just playing it open so you can hear it better. But that is the entire thing. I'll play through it again so you can see it again. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.